Hoy,
Hava komenta Mitakulo. So, we are here in farm. We work still, of course, and our building the house is continue to working the foundation. And then we are here to continue to managing here. Uh, as you can see, we have a YouTube channel, and all you guys are subscribers, followers. Thank you so much. Lots of your seeing what you see in the video, our published video every month, and you see, guys, what is happening here, what is the challenging here. Talking about the filming, one scenario, it's not easy always because you want to make sure that people can see the video is not shaky. So that is uh, one of the reason. Not shaky, and then not blurred, good quality to filming, and then we are do that, but uh, uh, sometimes it's not easy because we need to find place where we can put the cell phone, because we use only cell phone to filming what we are doing here, and you guys observing through video what is real happening here in the farm. And now we gonna stop for Ilama Filipino to publish video, but we are so much appreciate your subscribers, your another opinion if we have published video, likes. Thank you lots. Karian.
yeah, Madeline is right. You are a very big help to us, and we're very thankful to each one of you. And I hope we have still good um, days. Yeah, but yeah, we are gonna close the YouTube channel, which is Elama Filipino. And thank you very much for staying and supporting always to us. Yeah.
And we are focused on we have another channel, which is the Herb Hill. So we publish their videos, Herb Hill, and that is only English video. Yes, and then you guys hope that you can subscribe there and follows all video what we publish over there. So we are deeply thankful. Good Kitos Paulion for
Kita
everyone. Why?